Hi Divas! I've been waiting for this one to come back into stock for Diamond Art Club. It's called Running the Distance. Alright, she is a very ethereal painter. She likes to put symbols and symbolism in the background of her pictures. They're very deep thought, deeply spiritual paintings. I really was looking forward to getting this one. It is a 29 by 22 inch, which means it's a 74 by 56 centimeter, and it is a square kit. As I'm unwrapping the plastic off of the kit, I want to remind you that there is a discount code on the box, but if this will be your very first purchase from Diamond Art Club, you may want to use my affiliate link below, which gives you an additional % off if you use the discount code Wanda's Workbasket. Alright, now let's open the kit. Running the Distance. This will be beautiful. See this one done. First, as you open your kit, you will notice that you do get a small sticker to put on the end of your box, on your inventory sheets, or create a cover minder out of, if you'd like. Gives you all the description that you need. And you get a toolkit. Okay. It is a square kit, so you do get a Diamond Art Club tweezers. You get your white boat with the stopper and deep bridges so that they don't jump the track. You get a heart with 2 hearts of pink wax. A little cover to keep them nice and moist. You get a random color pen, the copper tip, and squishy. You get 2 multi-placers. This one happens to be a 4 and a 7. And you get a bag of baggies to help you kit up. And you get 2 bonus features. This one comes with the little strawberry cover minder. There's a magnet on the back that you pinch between. You pull the plastic of the canvas back to uncover the glue. You put a little magnet behind it and one on top, and that keeps your plastic back as you work. And you get a random color of washi tape. This one happens to be red spots. That helps you keep the dust and dander off of the edges of your canvas. It helps you line up your very first row of drills, and it helps you section off the plastic covering so that you can do a small section at a time. Okay, let's open this gorgeous painting, shall we? Here she is. Here she is. Okay, I was mistaken. It's not Milton. It's not Milton. It's licensed through Milan Art. Dimitri, Milan, M-I-L-A-N. You get your thank you booklet from Angie with all kinds of tips and tricks and discounts. You get your big sticker, which is a complete look at the kit as a whole, and you get individual little stickers that you can help you kit up, which gives you the sequence number, the color code, and the DMC color number as well on there. Okay, this kit happens to have 63 colors, and it has 4 Aurora Borealis. It's the sparkly ones, and Diamond Art Club numbers them underneath, under the number 150. This one happens to come with a special insert. Now this comes directly from the Milan Art. She gives instructional videos on how she creates her paintings, inspiring and instructional videos. watch her as she paints some of her work. You have a unique voice. If you're reading this, that means you have creativity inside of you. It's always been there. Now's the time to let loose your inner artist and start creating your own art. At Milan Art Institute, we are passionate about taking artists to the next level. So if you are interested in online art education to discover more about your creative passions, there you go. This is so beautiful. I love the peach and the blue together. That's like my new color combo joy for right now. The peach and the blues together. Here's a wolf. Beautiful wolf. And you can see trees and like a waterfall here at the bottom of the painting. On this side, you have what is on her mind. The sky and the ocean and mountains in the background. It looks like there could be some building there, but it looks mostly nature-oriented. Got some beautiful pinks in here. Nature artwork. This is gorgeous. She is a beautiful woman. In the background, there are all kinds of, it's not just a blue sky. You've got grays, you've got peaches and whites and yellows and some blues and some green in there as well. Now there are some color blocking areas and some confetti. This is a 29 by 22, which means it's a 74 by 56. This would be beautiful to use for a challenge. You could get it done in a month. You'll notice about the canvas, it has an index on both sides, which gives you, again, the sequence number, the symbol, and the DMC color code to help you match that up. It gives you a thumbnail of the picture and all the pertinent information about it. It gives you Diamond Art Club's social media in case you want to put up your masterpiece when it's finished. And it also gives you a warranty in case there are missing drills or there's something wrong with the canvas. I've never had to use that, so we shall see. We shall see. Okay, so your bag of drills comes with the kit number and the name of the kit on it in case you flatten out your canvas and leave it separate from the drills for any reason. Now, square kits will take you a little more time to do than round kits, but I wouldn't be afraid of them. Now, if you've only worked with budget kits before, you might not have had a good experience with square drills, but I can assure you that Diamond Art Club square drills are resin drills. So they are made in their very own factory. They're made to perfection. I've never had a problem with Diamond Art Club square drills. In the past, over 2 years, I have not had any problems with Diamond Art Club square drills. In fact, they are so enjoyable to use because they line up with such precision. You can use a multi-placer on them without a problem. This kit has both confetti areas and color blocking areas, so you will be able to use some multi-placers on this if you so choose. Confetti area just means there's a lot of color, a lot of different colors to change in one small area. Color blocking just means there's a bigger, you can, there's a bigger block of color all in one space. That's perfect for multi-placing. There are 310s in this, dark browns as well, and earth tones. They just go about setting off the beauty of the other colors that pop in this, that absolutely pop. This would be great for like an Earth Day challenge, any kind of spiritual art challenge. Do you do challenges? Do you enter challenges? Okay, so Here we go. These are the Aurora Borealis colors, which just means that they have a special coating on them that makes them pop, that makes them shine. The blacks have like a peacock effect on them. They're good for eyes and things like that. This is kind of like a mint green. A chartreuse green. Yes, I like that word. And your white. Let's find them on the kit. So the number 4s, the 141s, they are found in the wolf mane in here. There's in the top, in the clouds up here. I see some. There's not a great deal of them. In her mind, here, there's some. There's some up in that cloud up there. So those are basically in the wolf muzzle, in the sky, and in the clouds in here. They're basically toward the top of the painting. So let's look for the number 3s. These are going to be harder to find. They are the chartreuse green. I can see them right here in the trees that the wolf is standing in. Basically, the 3s are just in here in the wolf. What about the mint green, the number 2? I see more of those in the background behind the wolf here. Yep. All in here. There's a few number 2s in around her, outlining her as well. And in the cloud up there. So far, the Aurora Borealis are sparkling in the sky and outlining the faces. The 102s, the black ones, are the number 1. I see the 1 in her eyelashes, in her hair, sprigs of her hair here, and in her ear. I really don't see the 1s anywhere else. Yeah, basically just around her face. So basically all the sparkle is toward the top. I almost think I would do some black ABs around his muzz and his eyes. I would add that in there. Maybe the tips of his ears. I would add some in her hair, the more of her flowing hair, and in the back there I would add some black ABs. Anywhere where the sun is going to sparkle and shine. I know this is an ethereal thing. It's not like meant to be like where is the sun shining off of these objects. The light, there's still a light source, and this light is coming from behind. I do see some of the mint green 2s down here as well. No, I do want the center of it to be on their faces. Maybe I would do some more sparkle in her lips. Definitely. In her lips. So that it looks like her sparkle flows down further. And it's centered around her eye and her lip and this wisp of hair. For the wolf, I would do it in the muzz and the eye and the ears. It's already got some here and some in here. It's already outlined with the white in the back from where the light is coming from, so that they glow. They glow from behind, basically. So I understand why they didn't put the sparkle all around the painting, but those are the focal points for this. Beautiful. So have you done this one? Are you going to pick it up now that it's on the redo from Diamond Art Club? Have you gone to the Milan art site to see what they have to offer? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to pick up your discount from Diamond Art Club using the code Wandasworkbasket if this is your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club. All right, Divas. Many blessings. Bye.